All right, guys, we're just gonna do this real quick. This is July 8th of 2021. We received our FPV crate. We're just gonna go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. Last month it was the Bardwell frame. This month, oh yeah, how appropriate, right? Thank you card. Don't want to see that yet. I want to know what's inside. What do we got? Not bad. Interesting, I guess. Sometimes I feel like these stickers are a little too thick to really do anything with. I mean, you try to stick them to something and then just constantly peeling up if there's any sort of bend. What are these? Oh, the new F4s. Didn't they recall these, or are these the new versions? Hopefully these are the these are the upgraded versions, because the Gem fans just got recalled. So who knows? We'll find out if these are the recalled ones. ZKFPV. What is this? Oh, little LED feet skids, kind of like the. Oh, these are just like the Eachine Wizard ones. If you guys ever saw that, this is the Eachine Wizards are easily destroyed, but I wonder if there's like skids that you can put over the top of these. That would be nice, but I don't want these exposed on the bottom of my quad. They're just gonna get destroyed when I land. So I don't know about that one. The Xylo stack, what is this? An F4 flight controller. Is this the Bardwell? No, this isn't the Bardwell. The Bardwell's an F7, and this is Xylo. This is different. I'm not so sure about this. Ah, goodness. Well, I guess at the end of the day, we can all use a flight controller when one of our quads just goes down with that issue. But still, I would have never bought this. I genuinely would have never bought something like this. They should be putting feature products in their boxes, not just... Nope, I think I'm gonna be canceling after this one, guys. Oh well, it was a good run. Let's see what t-shirt we got. Oh, and that was my other complaint last month too. The t-shirt was itchy as hell. Like even after it was washed, it was itchy as all freaking hell, so. And then on top of that, it didn't fit very well. It was really wide, like it was a, yeah. I'm sorry guys, but cool design, really, really itchy, crappy material. I don't think it's worth it to me. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not impressed. Mostly disappointed. Flight controller and some LEDs. Wiggity whack. Ready to cancel that one.